Passive income with 5 best apps. Make money online. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we simplify the world of money-making websites for you. No corporate jargon, just straightforward info that can boost your earnings. You won't believe how easy it is to earn $100 a day in passive income with these free apps. They work worldwide and all you have to do is install them on your device. It's that simple. Let's dive into the first app on our list. Lifecoin. It's your path to earning money by simply walking. Yes, you heard me right. Just walk and the app pays you. Lifecoin is available for both Android and iOS users. Install it from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. The beauty of Lifecoin is its payment flexibility. Even if PayPal isn't an option in your region, you can still get paid through various gift cards, sporting goods, and more. But if you prefer PayPal, that's always an option. You can also score great items like an iPhone, AirPods, or Apple Watches, so keep an eye out for new prizes. You can download the app for free from their official websites, lifecoin.ai. Once installed, let it run in the background and it will pay you for walking. Whether you're walking to your kitchen or strolling around your beautiful city. No surveys, no tedious tasks, just passive income. Exchange your points for $100 gift cards and repeat this process. On to app number 2. MoneySMSApp.com. It's a favorite for generating passive income. This free Android app makes money for you automatically. You don't even have to read the SMS messages they send. Simply install the app and delete them. No ads, no surveys, just straightforward earnings. Search for Money SMS app on Google or the Google Play Store. Create an account and you'll start earning around 3 to 4 cents in euros per text message. When you hit 2 euros, you can withdraw your earnings within 48 hours, and they even support PayPal. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Privacy concerns. Money SMS stands tall in this arena by aligning with the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR privacy policies. Your personal information is treated with the utmost respect and compliance. Boasting a user base exceeded 400,000, this app isn't just a flash in the pan. It's a testament to its legitimacy and its commitment to delivering tangible, real-world returns on your investment of time. For those interested in diving deeper, the app's home base is MoneySMSApp.com. App number 3 is Telofia.io. Earn by sharing your opinions and data. Though sharing opinions is optional, a download meter measures your passive income by tracking your data usage. You can also maximize your earnings by participating in surveys if you'd like. Withdraw your earnings easily through PayPal. To get started, install the app, register, verify your account, and enable necessary permissions. It's truly effortless passive income. Check the How It Works section on their website, and you'll find that merely letting the app run in the background for 8 hours a day on 7 qualified days can earn you $1, all while you go about your day. Next up is app number 4, Mobile Expression Panel. It's similar to the first one. You install the app, and it collects data from your phone while you earn. Here's a bonus tip. If you have extra devices, install these apps on all of them to multiply your earnings. Even one device will bring in cash for you. Register for a free account, and that's it. You'll have consistent passive income without any active work. You can trust it with over 1 million downloads and a history of paying users for years. App number 5, Honeygain.com is our favorite for safe and secure passive income. You earn by sharing your internet with trusted partners. Your device's storage remains off limits. Join the ranks of over 250,000 daily users who withdraw an average of $26 from Honeygain. Make money for free, all through passive income. Nielsen is one of the most well-known and reputable panels in the game. It's a fantastic passive income app and website that allows you to earn free rewards without lifting a finger. Nielsen offers both a computer and mobile panel. Enroll your devices to share your data with Nielsen and start raking in rewards. Computer panel. Enlisting your computer in Nielsen's computer panel not only contributes to valuable data insights, but also enters you into monthly sweepstakes with a chance to win substantial sums. It's a simple way to turn your computer's idle moments into potential windfalls. Mobile panel. On the mobile panel, Nielsen's app transforms your mobile device into a steady source of rewards. By registering, you accumulate points consistently, adding predictability to your passive income. Moreover, the app guarantees an annual $50 reward, making it a reliable income source. While the computer panel offers the excitement of monthly sweepstakes, the true gem lies in the mobile panel's consistent $50 in free money each year. This steady income requires minimal effort and offers versatile redemption options, from gift cards to tangible merchandise, making Nielsen one of the most rewarding apps and programs. Swagbucks is a popular beer money app that allows you to earn free PayPal money in your spare time. It's also a passive income app and website that I've been using since my college days to earn rewards. For starters, Swagbucks offers various ways to earn, including answering paid surveys, downloading apps, shopping online, playing games, and referring friends. You can also watch ads and videos to earn small amounts of points through its Swagbucks Watch feature. This feature has allowed me to cash out plenty of gift cards over the years. It's a nice passive way to earn with Swagbucks, and new members can snag a $5 sign-up bonus to sweeten the deal. One advantage of Swagbucks is that many free gift card rewards only require $1 to cash out, making it a fast passive income app that pays. Mobile Performance Meter. Mobile Performance Meter runs in the background of your phone, collecting data on phone connectivity to wireless networks. In return, users can earn between $0.10 to $0.30 per day. This Android app is more specific about which devices are accepted into the program, but I currently have two Moto G phones running the application, and each device earns $0.10 per day. The payout threshold starts at $5 and is exclusively done through PayPal. As you can see from the screenshot above, this app pays and is legit. The app consistently pays on time, so I know it's completely legit. It might not make you a fortune, but it's a simple passive income app that can earn you $5 to $10 per month without any effort. If you found these apps intriguing and are interested in more ways to boost your earnings, don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus. We keep it simple and informative. Thanks for tuning in to Profitability Plus. Remember, these apps can help you earn money with minimal effort. It's all about making passive income, and we've got your back. Stay tuned for more money-making insights.